In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in Retool Workflows. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spin up a new workflow with an AI-generated starting point tailored for sales and revenue use cases using only the built-in tools on the Retool site. Start by opening your browser and heading to retool.com. For the smoothest experience, use a modern desktop browser and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace, especially if your organization uses multiple environments. Once the homepage loads, you're ready to move into the automation area. From the main navigation, click Workflows. This takes you to the Workflows home, where you can see any existing automations, runs, and helpful quick start options. Think of this section as your control center for scheduled and event-driven jobs that connect to your data sources, APIs, and internal tools. Next, click Create New. You'll usually find this near the top right of the page. This opens a clean starting canvas so you don't need to retrofit an existing project. It's the fastest way to begin something purpose-built. When prompted, click Workflow. This tells Retool that you want to create a new end-to-end workflow, not a resource or anything else. You'll land in the editor, which is where you'll design the logic, steps, and data handling. Even if you're brand new, the interface is designed to be approachable, with a visual layout and clearly labeled panels. Now in the provided input area, type Generate a workflow for sales and revenue. Use that exact phrasing. This acts as your brief for the AI-assisted generator, giving it enough context to assemble a sensible starting structure. If your organization has specific metrics, data sources, or cadence requirements, you can always refine later, but starting with this concise prompt keeps the initial build simple. Click Generate. Retool will begin creating the draft workflow based on your prompt. Behind the scenes, it's assembling nodes, wiring basic logic, and preparing placeholders you can connect to your real data sources afterward. Wait for a few minutes to generate. Keep the tab open and let it finish. Generation time can vary depending on complexity and load. While you wait, remember that the first pass is meant to be a scaffold. Once it's ready, you'll see a structured set of steps you can review, rename, and adjust to match your sales and revenue tracking needs. If something looks off, rerun the generation with a slightly clearer prompt or fine-tune directly in the editor. And that's it. You went to Retool, opened Workflows, created something new, selected Workflow, entered your sales and revenue prompt, clicked Generate, and gave it a moment to build. You're now set with a strong foundation to tailor into a production-ready automation.